Okay, folks, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin, today we are going to be talking to you guys about, how do you call this machine gun?
The snowblower. This is a two-stage snowblower.
Two-stage? So what does that mean?
It means there are two different mechanisms to throw the snow. The first is down low.
Show us, please.
It's called the impeller. It's down in the tunnel. The rotors tear up the snow, break it down, shove it into a rotor, and that's what throws it out. So two different gear drives that help get the snow off the ground and out of the driveway.
Okay. Just to give a heads up, folks, my hubby is really good at researching machines and any piece of equipment. So that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys so you can check it out. I mean, how much did we pay for this machine?
I think it's roughly right about $1,000.
$1,000?
2 years ago.
2 years ago.
No, 3 years ago. We had it 3 years now.
3 years already? Oh my
So
goodness.
Third winter with it.
Wow. So it works like a champ. I'm going to show you. Just a second here. Let's see.
Where's the place?